Have you ever felt super motivated, ready to conquer the world, only to have that feeling fizzle out a few days later?
Yeah, we've all been there.
It's a classic story. A burst of inspiration, a new gym membership, a brand new journal. And then life happens. The initial excitement fades, and we're back to square one. This is exactly why I want to talk about something far more powerful than motivation. I'm talking about discipline. Motivation is like a spark. It's bright, it's hot, but it's temporary. It's an emotion, and like all emotions, it comes and goes. You can't rely on it to get you through the tough days, the boring days, or the days when you just don't feel like it. Discipline, on the other hand, is like a well-built engine. It's the system you create that keeps you moving forward, regardless of how you feel. It's about doing what you need to do, even when you don't want to. It's about showing up for yourself consistently. Think about it this way. Motivation gets you started, but discipline keeps you going. Motivation is what makes you buy the running shoes. Discipline is what makes you put them on every single morning, whether it's sunny or raining, whether you're tired or full of energy. It's the choice to honor the commitment you made to yourself. Over time, these small, disciplined actions compound into massive results. It's not about one heroic effort. It's about countless small, consistent steps. Let me tell you a story about a writer named Anthony Trollope. He wasn't necessarily the most naturally gifted writer of his time, but he became one of the most prolific and successful novelists of the Victorian era. How? Pure, unadulterated discipline. For decades, he had a day job at the post office. So he woke up every single morning at 5:30 a.m. He had a simple rule. He had to write 250 words every 15 minutes for 3 hours before he left for his regular job. He didn't wait for inspiration to strike. He didn't wait until he felt creative. He just sat down and wrote. He treated writing not as a mystical art, but as a job that required consistency. If he finished a novel before his 3 hours were up, he would immediately pull out a fresh sheet of paper and start the next one. This relentless discipline allowed him to publish over 40 novels, plus numerous short stories and travel books. He built a legendary career not on fleeting moments of genius, but on the solid foundation of a daily habit. Trollope's story is a powerful reminder that you don't need to feel motivated to be successful. What you need is a system. You need to build the habit of showing up. So, what's the one thing you've been waiting for motivation to do? Forget motivation. Start with discipline. Start small. Maybe it's just 15 minutes of exercise, reading 10 pages of a book, or writing one paragraph. It doesn't matter how small the action is. What matters is doing it every single day. Create a routine that supports your goals. Make it so easy to start that you can't say no. Put your workout clothes next to your bed. Leave your journal open on your desk. Remove the friction. The goal isn't to be perfect. The goal is to be consistent. Some days will be great and you'll crush it. Other days you'll just go through the motions. Both days are a win because on both days you showed up. You reinforce the habit. Discipline is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. It's about choosing long-term gain over short-term comfort. It's about telling yourself that your future self is worth the effort today. So let's stop chasing the fleeting high of motivation and start building the unshakable strength of discipline. Identify your one small thing. Commit to it and just start. Don't overthink it. Just do it. Day by day, you'll build the momentum that will carry you toward your biggest goals. Thank you so much for watching. If this message resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building a better life. What's one daily discipline you're going to commit to? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one.